Hello, welcome to this overview of the Books module in CollectionsIndex. Books is the perfect choice for anyone who wants to catalogue historic libraries or book collections using the MARC 21 format for bibliographic data. Let's take a quick look at the Books module in action. So, like all record types, Books supports both quick search and advanced search functionality. So the quick search gives you that quick word search, so I can simply type a word in and it will find it as long as it appears anywhere in my books records. So with 19 results there, what we can see. And if this can be changed from a free text search to a book reference number search. So when we configure your system, you can pick which MARC field is going to be your main book reference number, and we'll make this search link to that field. Of course, you may want to use the advanced search function, which is much more powerful and much more specific, and allows you to build multiple or single line searches based on the contents of specific MARC fields. Helpfully, the MARC fields can be searched by both their number and their caption. So if I type 245, it will jump me to that field. But again, if I search for the word title, it will filter those fields by their captions as well, and we can still find that same field. Now, once you've picked a MARC field, you can type in your search parameter there in the value box and also pick which subfield you want to search within. So this is a much more precise way of searching for Atlantic, where it only appears in the title statement. And there we have it. Let's now view this book record. We're now looking at a book. We can see the system ID pulled out at the top here and the title, and we can see how the MARC data is presented to us when we're viewing this record. It's possible to customize this using the Sister's Views functionality. And please note, we only show you MARC fields with data. And if we were to go to the editing form, you can see the true scope of fields available to catalogue your books. I've moved over now to the editing form just so we can see how easy it is to catalogue and edit your books records. Note the quick access menu, which makes it very easy to find the MARC field you're looking for. Again, I can search by code or by caption and quickly jump to the field I'm interested in. It's very simple to add new fields to your record simply by clicking the Add button, such as here on varying form of title, and then to start cataloguing within that field, setting both indicators using these boxes up in the corner here, and also picking the correct subfield. And where subfields are repeatable within the data, you can use the Add Subfield menu to add new repeats of those subfields, such as another miscellaneous information subfield. And it's quite possible to click and drag these subfields if you want to reorder them, in this case putting both of these miscellaneous information subfields together. The book's editing form also includes a free text mode. Here you can type your MARC directly into the system to create records. Simply add in the correct number, the indicators required, and a subfield, and type in your new data. And of course, this can also be copy and pasted from applications such as Notepad. The Books module also comes with the MARC Field Authority. You can use these records to customize your MARC fields or create new ones, taking advantage, for example, of the 900 series of local fields. Within this, we can see all the existing MARC fields in the system. We can view information about them, about the subfields available, and the indicators if they are available. And we can also add brand new fields to help catalogue our collections as required. Another unique feature of the Books module is the Import Books function. Here you can search relevant repositories, and these can be set up for you when we configure your system. You can then search those repositories using either a basic word search or a more advanced search is available too. Once you've generated your search result, you can find a publication that matches the one you want to add to your own system. For example, this one here. On clicking it, you can then review its MARC data. You can close it if it's not of interest, or if this is the publication you want to add to your own catalogue, simply click Import. This will now import this data into your own books catalogue, and you'll have that available in your system. You can see now this is finished importing. I can click Edit if I wanted to go and make some changes straight away, or if I click on View, I can now view this book in my catalogue and its MARC data again listed there. Now that's all for this quick look at the Books module. Do get in touch if you have any more questions about the module or would like a demonstration. Just before we go, it's worth pointing out that Books records can also take advantage of linking to activities in the system, just like objects and archives can, and they can also take advantage of linking to asset records in the system too. That's all for now. I'll join you next time for our next video. Thank you.